Hey everybody, I'm Stacey here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. We are a small independent mom and pop retailer in Canyon Country, California. So if you're local, come say hello. Come visit us in our retail store Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. But if you're an online peep, well, we do 3 YouTubes a week where we live chat. I have a Make It Monday event that happens Monday afternoons, 5 p.m. Sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central or 8 p.m. Eastern. We live chat through that event. I also have a Thursday event where we bring you the latest and greatest from manufacturers, your favorite manufacturers, at value pricing from the get-go. That's also at 5 p.m. Sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. But then on Saturday, it is all about the teachable moment. And I do a full-length, commercial-free, technique-based class where we bring out the product you already have in your crafty stash and sprinkle in some new things from manufacturers. But the whole idea of the Saturday with Stacey classes is encouraging you to pull out some of those products you've got stuffed away back there on your crafty table that you're like, why did I get that? Let me remind you why. Let me show you a new way to use them, all while bringing in products that you may have never seen before or didn't know anything about. So join me not once, not twice, but 3 times a week on our YouTube channel when we live chat. Mondays and Thursdays, 5 p.m. Sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, or Saturday mornings for our full-length class. 8 a.m. Sunny California time, 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, or 4 p.m. in the United Kingdom. Subscribe to our channel. I sure do hope you will. And until then, I will see you at our next live chat. Bye, everybody.